Hey guys, so today's Make It Monday with me is going to be some mozzarella stuffed keto meatballs. This is trial and error. I've never made it before, so you guys are going to make it with me and we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to get you in position and go from there. Okay, so this is everything that you will need with the exception of the sauce, which I am using the Rao's homemade marinara. We'll get to that in a minute. So it's 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef as well as 1/2 pound of Italian sausage. I have already salt and peppered the meat because you don't really need to see me do that. So I am going to mash up the meat and then add a little bit of 3/4 of a cup of shredded or grated Parmesan. I just used Kraft. Half a cup of almond flour. And then I have parsley, Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, as well as some minced dry onion. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of warm water. Now, the recipe, I watched a video from Keto Dad. He did 2 eggs, because that's what the recipe calls for, but said it was a little dry, so he might add 3. So I have a 3rd egg on standby. Okay, so I have my meat mixture. I'm gonna do mine in my crock pot. It is like my Instant Pot crock pot type thing. So I did 2 teaspoons of olive oil on the bottom. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap my meatballs around some mozzarella cheese. Meatballs in my pot. I got 13 meatballs out of that. They're all relatively the same size. I'm going to add the entire jar of Rao's. I'm going to cook these on low. Let's see, it's about 1 o'clock. I'm going to do high for about 4.5 hours. And we will see what they come out. Okay, so this is what they look like when they are all set and done. You will have to stir. A lot of the cheese is melted out, but that is okay. They are going to be soft and ooey gooey, and all of the yummy. Look at that. I'll show you guys when I have them. So these are the meatballs, and you can see inside. While some of it did come out, most of it did not. So that's it. That is your mozzarella stuffed keto meatball. I am going to fry them in a frying pan a little bit just to get a little bit of a crust on them. You can also air fry these or bake them. It would be really, really good. Thanks for watching, guys.